number on the matchbook is old and faded. Hi, the clip that you just saw was my Sirius Car Kit radio playing via Bluetooth through the truck system. And as most of you know, the Ford Lightning Pro that I have does not come with a satellite, and so I've been missing my satellite radio. A few months ago, I picked up on Craigslist for about $20 a car kit with a radio unit included, and so I hooked that up, put the antenna on the tray in the on the dash, and it picks up really well there. You can run the antenna through the door jamb to the outside and watch videos on that. There's several people that will talk about that. But anyway, I ran the car kit and set it in the tray near the USB ports, and then hardwired it to a very nice speaker that has great sound, but of course it's not the truck sound unit. So this is made in China, of course. It's a C83 Pro. It's a dongle that has the TRS connection. It's a sending unit and a receiving unit. And so this plugs directly into the back of the dock for the Sirius Onyx, and then broadcasts via Bluetooth. It took, I think, 2 or 3 tries to connect and pair with the radio here in the truck. The sync system, if you go through, I believe it was add a phone, and then when you get to that screen, it's add a phone or add another device. Press the other device, and then it comes up and starts searching. And of course, it's searching for, any kind of Bluetooth device in the surrounding area, it seems like. So it spins for quite a bit. The pairing on the dongle works for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then it shuts off. So in order to get both to pair, you may have to try and hit the pairing option on both units 2 or 3 times. But now that it is paired, each time I jump in the truck, turn it on, and then just turn on the dongle, it searches for the Ford, and they instantly connect it. I think it just took me about 3 or 4 seconds today as I started the truck. So that's nice. I've got the satellite radio in the truck again, and pairing through the sound system, and I'm back in business. Thanks.